Timothy Ray Brown, also known as the Berlin patient, is a man who was diagnosed with both HIV and blood cancer in 2007. He was living in Berlin, Germany at the time, and was receiving antiretroviral therapy to manage his HIV infection. In 2007, Brown's doctors decided to treat his blood cancer with a bone marrow transplant in order to increase the chances of the transplant being successful. They chose a donor who was homozygous for the CCR5 delta 32 mutation, a genetic mutation that confers resistance to HIV. The transplant was successful, and Brown's blood cancer went into remission. However, the transplant had an unexpected side effect. Brown's HIV viral load became undetectable, and he was able to stop taking antiretroviral therapy. For years, Brown's HIV remained undetectable, and he was considered to be HIV-free. His case is considered to be the first documented cure for HIV, and has provided important insights into the virus. That has led to increased research into the potential for a cure for HIV. It's worth mentioning that the procedure used to treat Brown's blood cancer is complex, risky, and not suitable for most people living with HIV. And it's not a practical solution for the majority of people living with HIV. But it has been a significant development in the fight against HIV/AIDS, and has given hope for a future where HIV is curable. Timothy Ray Brown passed away on 29 September 2020. He died from cancer that is unrelated to his HIV status. His death was a reminder that even though he was cured of HIV, he still faced other health challenges just like everyone else. Brown had been living with cancer for several years before his death, which is not surprising given that people living with HIV have an increased risk of certain types of cancer due to their weakened immune systems.